Hi everybody, welcome to another day at Deal Coastguard Cottage. We're on the bottom level now, on the bottom left. Started raking out this morning. There you go. Actually, this is rock hard. This stuff is absolutely rock hard, and it's spoiled all the bricks. Fucking disgusting. Look at that dreadful stuff, and it is absolutely rock hard. Absolutely rock hard. Absolutely rock hard. Even the grinders are struggling. And this is another reason you don't use cement. What's the matter with you builders out there? For Christ's sake. Look at this. Look what it's done to the bricks. These have got to be cut out now. Look at them, look. What? What were they thinking of? What were they thinking of? Look at this. Just falling apart. Bricks are just falling apart. Spoiled. That's a false brick. That's not a real brick. That's a modern brick. Modern brick. Modern brick. Oh dear. Look at them, look. Modern brick, modern brick, modern brick, modern brick. These are all modern bricks. Someone's had some repairs here. Look at it, look. Sand cement. Oh, we're pouring it in sand and cement. That'd be nice and strong for you. Look at these, look. This stuff is rock hard. Absolutely rock hard. Fucking hell. And they wonder why that shit happens. Eh? Hey! That's my cup of tea, it's ready. So I had a little phone call yesterday. Had to go and look at a church. Lovely old church built, yeah, I don't know, circa 1130, something like that, 1135. Absolutely stunning. Someone's absolutely butchered it with sand and cement on the lower, but they want the belfry redone. They want some grouting done as well. They've had a surveyor in, so yeah, they want some grouting pumped into it in between the flint work. So I'm gonna have to drill it and fill it with water. See where we've got the rivers in there, and then flow some grouting inside. So that'd be interesting. Yeah, I don't know whether I want it or not. I've got to think it over. It's a lot involved. Hell of a lot involved in it. Look at this. Just look. Beautiful bricks. Mullered them. Absolutely mullered the bricks. So yeah, it's going to get me a cup of tea. I'm not happy with this one. Absolutely butchered it. Oh well. Lime mortar.